Unraveling the meaning of stable fee. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that you might come across in various contexts: stable fee. Understanding such phrases is crucial for English language proficiency, and we're here to help you grasp not just the meaning, but also how to use it in your daily conversations. So, let's dive in. A stable fee refers to a fixed charge or payment for the use of a stable. Stables are buildings where horses or other livestock are kept. So, when we talk about a stable fee, we are discussing a set amount of money that is paid to rent a space for a horse, or to cover services like the horse's care, feeding, and maintenance provided by the stable owner. This term is quite specific and is most commonly used in the context of horse riding, racing, or farming. Let's break it down further. The word stable in this phrase is used as an adjective, meaning unchanging or fixed, and as a noun referring to the place where horses are kept. The word fee refers to a payment made for a service. So, when combined, stable fee denotes a payment that doesn't change over time for the specific service of housing or taking care of horses. Now that we know what stable fee means, let's see how it's used in everyday language. The stable fee includes daily feeding and cleaning services for my horse. Before you decide to own a horse, you should consider the monthly stable fee. The riding school charges a stable fee for each horse boarded with them. By using the phrase in sentences like these, you can communicate effectively in contexts where this term is relevant. While less common, stable fee could also be used metaphorically in business or finance to describe a fee that is constant, not subject to change or fluctuations. For example, the company decided to set a stable fee for its services to simplify billing. This broader usage carries the same core idea of a fixed and predictable charge. And there you have it. We hope this explanation of the term, stable fee, enhances your English vocabulary, especially if you are interested in equestrian activities or business. Remember, language learning is all about understanding the nuances of phrases like these. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been enlightening. Until next time, keep practicing and expanding your horizons with new words and phrases.